I was assigned to go visit this patient. Now, mind you, this patient, I do not know her. This is my first time meeting her, okay? And so when I walked into the room, as usual, I introduced myself, okay? I told her what I'm here to do, who I am, where I'm from. And I, said, I'm going to be checking your vital signs. How are you doing today? Just making conversation with, let's just call her Mrs. Smith, okay? With Mrs. Smith. Now, that being said, Mrs. Smith, she is nonverbal, okay? She's flat affect. That means she makes no eye contact, all right? She cannot speak. She don't recognize her friends, her family, nothing. Okay, so she was basically laying there just staring at the ceiling blank. Okay, but get this. So about, I want to say like maybe 10 to 15 minutes into the visit, the music therapist came. All right. Now, the music therapist, he knew her. Okay. He's like her regular music therapist. Like he usually visits her, I believe, every other week. All right. And he brings a guitar with him. All right. So the music therapist came in the room and, he introduced himself. All right. He asked Mrs. Smith, how you doing today? And, him and we exchanged, a few words. I kind of let him know, I am here to fill in for Mrs. Smith's regular nurse. And I kind of say, go ahead, let's all join in and, let's start singing a song to Mrs. Smith. Because he said, okay, do I want to participate with him playing the guitar and singing? I said, of course, of course. And so, so the music therapist, all right, he took out his guitar. He started to play the guitar for Mrs. Smith. And my husband's family, I kid you not, Mrs. Smith came to life. I could not believe it. Like she started to sing along. She started to clap her hands. Okay. She knew exactly what to say. Like she knew each and every single word. And I had never experienced that before in my life. Like that was like in the beginning of my husband's career. Wow. I was amazed. I was shocked. I didn't know what happened. I was like, how could she be laying there one moment, staring at the ceiling, don't even know who she is, where she is not speaking. Okay. And now she's singing, she's clapping. So I had to research this. Okay. I had to now talk to my hospice family, talk to me. Who among you have experienced this? Because this is like such a miracle. Like, I couldn't believe it. I'm telling you. And